Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you lose cellular service after updating iPhone. So the first step is to make sure that the cellular data is on your iPhone. So go to settings and make sure that the cellular data is on. So sometimes after the update the cellular data becomes off, so you have to go ahead and turn this on, and that will go ahead and take care of the problem. But still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and open settings. Now once you open settings, tap on general option, then you have to go ahead and tap on about, then you have to go ahead and tap on carrier. So here you will see the carrier, so tap on carrier, and then you have to go ahead and install carrier settings update. So if there are any pending update for carrier settings update, it will give you a prompt. Once you tap on carrier, you will see this prompt which says carrier settings update, new settings are available, would you like to update them now? Then you go ahead and tap on update, and this will update the carrier settings update. So once that is done, you will go ahead and get back your cellular service. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.